विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण त्रिकोणमिती ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मध्ये टू फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ या टाइपच्या एक्झाम्पलचा आपण विचार करूया. या अगोदर आपण पाहिलेलं आहे साइन ओ अपॉन एच, कोसेक एच अपॉन ओ, opposite upon hypotenuse we use that sign, hypotenuse upon opposite we use cosec. These are ratios: cos a upon h, sec h upon a, tan o upon a, cot a upon o, opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. So this is your first triangle, very important, 30 60 90 triangle. We know that if the hypotenuse is to side opposite to 30 is half of hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 is root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. In the next triangle, 45 45 90 triangle, isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, then we know that this is hypotenuse, it is root 2. Or you can find out side opposite to 45 is 1 upon root 2 into hyp, hypotenuse. तेव्हा हे सगळे गुणधर्म आपल्या डोक्यात असले पाहिजे. हा इमॅजिनरी ट्रायंगल आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. हे यापूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये हे डिस्कस केलेले आहे. आपण लेट अस फाइंड आउट व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट? 5 as it is, keep the value of sin 30. Instead of using that table, you can say that this is useful for you. How to find out sin 30 of O upon H? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Sin 30. समोरची भागिले कर्ण. Like that. 3 into bracket tan 45. In this triangle, O upon A. समोरील बाजू भागिले लगतची बाजू. तर काय येणार आहे? tan 45 1 upon 1, that is 1. You can substitute here. After that you can calculate like this. You know that 5 plus 2 into 3, 6. So what is the final answer? 11 upon 2. What is the next example? It is given there. Calculate the value. So by putting 4 upon 5 as it is inside the bracket, tan 60. This is your triangle. You know that tan O upon E, tan 60 opposite root 3 upon 1, it is root 3. You can substitute values. Only remember, फक्त हे त्रिकोण लक्षात ठेवा, तुमचं काम सोपं होणार आहे असं माझा सल्ला आहे. sin 60, sin 60, sin it is O upon H, sin 60 root 3 upon 2. You can substitute here root 3 upon 2, but square is there. After that, you know that 4 upon 5 into the square of this number. After that, 3 into square of this number, 3 upon 4. Then you can see the product there, 12 upon 5 plus 3 3 9 upon 4. And you know that cross multiplication, it is 24 into 12, 48 plus 5 into 9, 45. So final answer 8 plus 5, 35 plus. So this is your final answer. After that, how to calculate? What is that? Cos square 45 plus sin square 30. Cos square 45 plus sin square 30. Use this triangle. And you know the definition of cos 45 adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is the value there? 1 upon root 2 bracket square plus sin 30, it is opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is that? 1 upon 2 bracket square. You know the square, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. Again you can use the cross multiplication. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2. 2 into 4, 8. So what is the answer there? 4 plus 2, 6 upon 8. You can simplify 2 3 the 2 4 the. That is your answer. After that, 4th, 5th and 6th. By using 3 proper triangles, you can substitute the values properly. So, this is the technique. How to remember the ratios there. हे रेशोज वापरायला हे टेबल पाठ न करता हे 3 ट्रायंगल बघा, तुमचं काम सोपं होईल. तुम्ही हा प्रयत्न करावा. यासाठी ही युक्ती तुम्हाला सुचवलेली आहे. तुम्ही फक्त डिस्कस करू शकता. काय करायचं आहे पहा. इन द 6th example, cos 60 adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this is 1/2 into cos 30 adjacent upon hypotenuse √3/2. You can take the product √3/2 plus sin 60 opposite upon hypotenuse √3/2. So what is that? √3/2 into sin 30. You know that it is 1/2. You can solve further by taking the product. What is that? √3/4 plus √3/4. Take the product. After that, you know that denominator is same. √3 plus √3. It is 2√3. Then you can divide here 2 and the 2. So final answer √3/2. Now you can substitute sin 30. 1/2 cos 0 adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is 1/1 sin 90 opposite upon hypotenuse 1/1, that is 1. So you know that tan 60 opposite upon adjacent √3/1. Here sin 60 opposite √3/2. cos 60 adjacent upon hypotenuse 1/2. So this is your homework. Try to solve. हे एक्झाम्पल मुद्दाम तयार करा. त्यासाठी हे 3 त्रिकोण लक्षात ठेवा. 30 60 90 ट्रायंगल, 45 45 90 ट्रायंगल, 0 90 90 that is imaginary triangle.